Recording on iPhone, clapping it in. Hi, today we're stepping back into Runway ML, one of the most fantastic video generation tools out there right now. I want to use Runway ML to make my channel intro video in AI. My credits have regenerated, so let's get right to work. Runway.ml.com, create a Google account, and you can get right to work. I have already recorded four 4-second segments. We're going to go into the video to video section on Runway and attempt to use the AI tools to make a roughly 10-second video. Video to video on the left-hand side. Drag and drop a video here. Make sure you have good sound on your video. Only the first 4 seconds of your video is going to be used, so I recommend dividing up your videos into 4-second segments. That way it'll be as fast as it can possibly process. Might take a minute for you. Let's see how our video looks right now. Hi, my name is Chicago Rusty. Welcome to the channel. Here we go. Let's check this out again so I can hear too. Welcome to the channel. For my prompt. Okay, this is kind of confusing at first. They should really fix this. Every time I log into this thing, I get confused at first. So once you've uploaded your little 4-second video, make sure you go over here on the right to prompt. If you just start over here on image or presets, if you go down to generate video, prefer styles, it won't work. You have to add your prompt. So up here on the right-hand side, go to prompt. Now put in your prompt. Bright colors, fantastical, friendly creatures, bokeh. Let's check generate video. No styles chosen so far. Now it's saying it's going to take about 3 minutes. Usually it doesn't take that long. It's very fast. The very first generation is usually a little bit longer than after that. It kind of speeds up once it's already got that video in memory. 4 4-second videos approximately. And then we're going to try and link them together, throw some music on there, and I'll have a nice new, very brief intro video using AI features. Look at this weird thing. Okay, let's take a look at it. Hi, my name is Chicago Rusty. Welcome to the channel. That's scary. Hi, my name is Chicago Rust. Nope. That is definitely not it. Very wild. Guess we'll download it in case I don't get anything better. I'm working with very limited credits here, so. All right, well, let's just move on to the other one, to the second one. Channel intro part 2. I guess don't hit generate until you're very ready, because once you generate, you've spent your credits. Let's bring the style strength down a bit. A lot. Go to prompt. Sitting in the cockpit. Oh, wow. These are cool. His good buddy Chewbacca is in the seat. Preview styles. Don't hit generate video. I'm warning you. Are you serious right now? Oof. Rip. Let's get rid of that. Preview styles. I believe wow, those are nice. Let's check out. I chose Android. Let's try metal. Preview styles. I like Android though first, although it's reticent to show the face. Neon, preview styles. Those are a little too wild. Let's bring the style strength way down. Yeah, those are kind of dope. Let's go to illustration, preview styles. Don't like that. Oh, sci-fi, definitely. It's great that you can preview all the styles before you hit generate like I had messed up on earlier. Oh, those are exactly the same as the ones I did yesterday. The view. Out of this. Those ones are kind of more dynamic. Let's turn the style strength up to maximum. That's going to be dynamic to put after the first one. Oh, wow. No, but the style strength just removed the character completely. Let's not do that. Let's do style strength down to 3%. We're getting there. The coloring. It's really fast once you start previewing styles. Don't like the rainbows at all. Preview styles. See? Don't mention colors. There is dangerous. It doesn't get color. That's the weird thing. That doesn't really come through at all. Let's style strength up, preview styles. RunwayML.com. Style strength up a little more. Well lit. Preview styles, try the lighting. Instead of mentioning the colors, we'll just try lighting. No, these are all the same. Doesn't matter what you do. I guess we'll choose this one. Generate video. Back to video to video. Go upload video. Get our next video. Drop it in there. I don't know if you can generate and upload at the same time, but we're finding out together. Have a look around and let me know what you think. The audio's off, but it doesn't matter. It's going to be all AI anyway. Go to dashboard. Let's see, video to video. Let's double click this. Here we go. Double click it. Is it done? It's already done, dude. Today we're going to be working with AI. Oh my gosh, that's sick. Yes. Okay, this is working. 6 seconds left. That's perfect to finish out what I want to do today. Here's number 3. and go to prompt on the right, podcast studio, preview styles. Those are sick. Let's bring the style strength down. It's not showing the face, but that's fine. What if the style strength is at 1%? What does that do? Let's try this. Runway ML prompts. Give me a very detailed ChatGPT. Cool, let's just copy paste that. Copy, let's just paste that in. See what this does. Preview styles, no. No rainbows. Style strength maximum. Do one that's cinematic, action-packed, no yapping. That no yapping trick works awesome on ChatGPT. Shout out to the guy who did the video. Paste that. Now we're talking. Let's bring the style strength way down. That one's Batman-ish. Oh, wow. Always got to try claymation even though it never works. For this purpose, it might be good just to have a different look. When you put style strength up, it always adds another person. I don't know why. Let's put style strength back down. This is more dynamic. While that's working, we will upload our fourth and final piece. Go back to dashboard, go back to video, and upload video, piece number 4. You can generate and upload at the same time. That's nice to know. Back to dashboard, back to video, double click on this one. Is this done? Okay, that one's done. This man is sitting inside. Oh, those are dope. Style strength up. Those are super. Wow. Wow. Is it this one or this one? I kind of like this one better. Let's generate video. Okay, and as you can see here, I've used up all of my credits. It says upgrade to generate. I'll just wait till tomorrow and hopefully I'll get a few more credits generated for free. I'm going to take all 4 parts of that video, edit them together, add a little bit of music. Hi, my name is Chicago Rusty. Welcome to the channel. Today, we're going to be working with AI. Have a look around and let me know what you think. There are big things coming this year. Let me know what you think. Bye. Thanks for watching. If you want to learn more about Runway ML, check out this video right here. I think I did a pretty good job on it. Have a great day. Make sure to hit that like button. Bye.